Yes, sir. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. We're going to jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. So AMC short borrow fee increasing. Shorts will have to cover soon, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So on AMC stock, AMC short borrow fee rate as of 8/17 is 1.60% according to Stonk O Tracker. Keep an eye on this interest as it will determine just how much shorts are bleeding, guys. So keep an eye on how much the borrow fee rate is, because it'll let us know exactly how much in a hole the shorts are in, guys. And as the borrow rate goes up, what makes it goes up is the more people that are willing and looking for shares to short on AMC, that what raises the bar with the interest rate. And basically, for the ones that don't know and new to the game, shorts, whenever you go short on the stock, you basically borrowing stock from a lender, from a brokerage firm, and you have to pay interest on those stocks that you borrowing. Since you don't really own them, you got to pay interest on them until you give them back to where you got them from. And basically, they buying them at the top for a high price with hopes of selling those same stock back at a low price and then profiting the money out the middle, guys. So as long as that borrow fee rate continue to rises, they is in trouble, guys. Also, the typical fee for a stock loan is 0.30%. In a case of short supply, when many investors are going short on a stock, the fee may go up to 20 to 30%. Even though the stock is borrowed by the investor, the dividends still belong to the lender. So even though somebody can borrow stock and go short, they won't get the dividends that's paid out for that particular stock, guys, or asset, because it'll still go to the lender, the person whoever loaned you the shares. So that's how that will work. So let's continue, guys. The longer short sellers hold their positions means the higher the borrow fee may increase. This is great news for retail investors. Shorts eventually have to cover their position when they do. AMC stock price action will continue to rise, inevitably creating a short squeeze. And the longer the short sellers want to hold out and stall out from covering their position, the higher those borrow fees will start increasing, guys. And then they will eventually recover regardless. And just it'll cost them even more money than they have before. So you already know, guys, like I tell you, patience is virtue. We've been in this thing this long. It ain't gonna take us, it wouldn't mind waiting another few months if we got to. That's why I say we take this thing one day at a time, day by day, until we get what we deserve. We not leaving. We not going nowhere. And I think, or if they don't know, if they don't get the picture by now, they gonna get it, that we not going nowhere. We sitting tight. Regardless of what this price action do, we gonna be sit back and wait, guys. That's what I'm doing. Everyone else, you free to do whatever you want to do. Because like I say, I never tell anyone to hold or to buy. I just strictly share my opinions and thoughts on what I'm doing. And you guys already know what that means. If, I'm doing it, it pretty much means I'm doing it for a reason. I got conviction, and you free to do it as well. But like I always say, guys, never take no one's advice and opinion on things. Always do your own research and due diligence, guys. So that's all I got for y'all on that part. Now let's go ahead into our prediction on tomorrow, guys. So we end the day at around $33.55, down over 7% today. Oh, ugly ass day today, guys. Ugly day. We most definitely didn't expect to be down like this, looking like this on the day. We basically having, we'll move 5 steps forward and get knocked 5 steps right back. We'll be right back in the same situation that we was in. We were steady building our way up, staircasing our way up all week long, and off of having that solid day on Friday of last week, and then to come to this, for them to knock us right back to square one. But like I said, guys, previous to seeing all this, we got to be patient. We got to be patient. We know this stock is heavily manipulated, guys. We know all this stuff. We already well aware, but we still try to come here every day and share the best of our opinion and the best price predictions that we could give out, guys. And some people, don't like the price predictions, and some do. I feel it still helps people to be able to have some kind of conviction and some kind of, something to keep us going every day, to just being able to see what we think the price action would do day by day, instead of just going completely blank and not talking about it at all, which we can do. I'm free to. I got a whole lot of other content I could be doing instead of talking about AMC. So if y'all don't want the predictions no more, if y'all feel like, that's, causing a distraction or making people lose money in option trades from taking my predictions and trying to bank off of them. So, if it's y'all, just let me know. But anyways, let's go ahead into our prediction for tomorrow. So we had closed at around $33.55. We expecting to come down to around $32.76. Come down, test that area, bounce from there, guys, and see a strong recovery on tomorrow. Judging on how we traded in our past Thursdays, Thursdays usually be our biggest recovery days. On the other Thursdays, once we have pulled all the way back to $38 the first time when we had our $10 day, we jumped all the way up to $48 on that Thursday, $10 plus. And then that following Thursday, we pulled all the way back to $30, almost right around 29, and we slung shot all the way back up to $39.55, almost another $10 gain on that Thursday. Now coming in tomorrow, judging on how we already supposed to be trading right there at that $40 wall, right there near it. But they done knocked us 5 steps back. So judging on tomorrow, hopefully we can see a panic, because I'm pretty sure they trying to get weak hands and weak investors up out of here before this thing rip. And AMC is most definitely ready to take off when we least expect it, guys. And its biggest moves could come overnight through after, just like it could have a big jump during like pre-market after closing, like when you can't even get in it. So that's what it like to do when they make it biggest moves. Try to keep people from the people that's just sitting on the sidelines waiting for some action to happen during the day to where they done missed it. If you ain't got in before the market closed, you done missed it. That's when it's going to make its biggest jump. Like through the night going into the next day, it's going to just open up hugely when you least expect it. We don't know when, we don't know how, but I feel that's how it will happen, guys. And so going into tomorrow, though, we expect that pullback to around 32.76 up in that area, then a big recovery, guys. Then the close at around $35, $36 a share, guys, putting us right back where we was on yesterday. And then we're going to have to continue to work our way from there. It's going to be a grind, guys. So that's all I got for you guys this video. You already know, consider joining the family. Add your boy on IG. Also, don't forget to get your free stock in the description down below. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.
Yeah.